Welcome back, everyone. Ready to dive into another deep dive with us.
Always ready to explore.
So today we're looking at something that might seem, well, a little tiny in the grand scheme of things,
Mhm.
but trust me, it's one of those things that once you know it,
Oh, yeah.
it can really speed up your work.
Absolutely
We're
right.
talking about Excel, specifically a shortcut for inserting today's date.
Very handy.
Now you might be thinking,
Yeah.
okay, I could just type the date. How much time is this really saving me?
Right.
But hear us out.
Okay.
It's the kind of little efficiency boost
Yeah.
that adds up over time.
Big time. Especially if you're someone who
Mm.
uses Excel a lot. I mean, think about it. Timesheets,
Oh, timesheet.
invoices, logging data. Anytime you need today's date right there in your sheet.
Ugh, don't even get me started on timesheets.
I feel you. I feel you.
I used to spend way too long
Oh, I bet.
just typing in the date
Oh,
over and over for every single entry.
I know. It's so tedious.
It's mind-numbing.
It really is.
So this shortcut we're talking about,
Yeah.
it's Control plus semicolon.
That's it. Super easy to remember.
You hit those two keys, bam, today's date is in your cell.
And here's where it gets really interesting.
Oh,
That date, it's not a formula. It's not linked to anything.
that's okay.
It's a static date. It's fixed.
So even if I open the spreadsheet, like next year,
Exactly.
the date will still be the date I entered it.
Exactly. It's like a snapshot in time.
Wouldn't it be more useful if it, like, updated automatically
My
sometimes?
sense, yeah. If you need a spreadsheet to always show the current date.
Right.
But think about this. You're tracking a project.
Okay.
You hit a milestone. Boom. Control semicolon. That date is locked in.
Gotcha.
No matter what happens to the file, that date stays the same.
So it's not just about speed, it's about, like,
Accuracy
Yeah.
and preventing any accidental changes later.
oh, that makes sense, especially if you're dealing with, like, sensitive data.
Oh, absolutely. Timelines, financial records, anything where that date needs to be set in stone.
It's like a guarantee.
Exactly. Like taking a Polaroid of the date, it's there forever.
Okay, so to recap, Control semicolon in Excel
Yep.
not only saves you time,
Saves you tons of time.
but also makes sure those dates are accurate and can't be messed with.
It's a win-win.
It really is, and you know what? It makes me wonder,
What's that?
what other shortcuts are hiding in plain sight in the software we use every day?
Right.
There's always something new to learn.
Always.
So, challenge for everyone listening.
I like it.
Take a look around your favorite programs, see what hidden gems you can uncover.
You never know what you might find.
And that's all the time we have for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, everyone.
See you next time.
See ya.